DNI meaning Director of National Intelligence. DNI is an acronym for Director of National Intelligence. The Director of National Intelligence, DNI, is a high-ranking federal job that oversees the United States intelligence community. The President appoints the DNI, who is then approved by Congress. The Central Intelligence Agency, CIA, and the Federal Bureau of Investigation are two of the 18 federal agencies and organizations that make up the intelligence community, FBI. These 18 groups are responsible for a variety of tasks, including intelligence collection and counterintelligence. Information obtained on risks to America, such as cyber threats, terrorism, and nuclear proliferation, is classified as intelligence by the Office of the DNI. Because the DNI's real job is secret, it frequently reaches the press as a result of scandals or governmental infighting. DNI John Ratcliffe was chastised under the Trump administration for selectively declassifying information in a way that benefited the president.